Now, in this position, we're gonna be working our glutes here with our feet in the middle of the chair pedal. So they're just kind of lying there on the arches of the feet. You wanna look at the femur bone, the thigh bone, to be straight up and down. You can't be way back here or too far in. So it has to be straight. Remember, if there's one spring in the middle like there is, that if you lift too much and put too much weight on it, it's gonna flop down onto the floor. So the control in this exercise is keeping the pedal still. So from here, curl the tailbone and lift without pushing down on the feet. And hold, hold, hold without pushing the pedal up or down. From there, curl down with the belly button first, and then you roll the hips out. Now additionally, before you go up again, Erica, open the shoulders and reach down towards the chair from your back. So support the whole thing with your back. Now curl the tailbone and lift, lift, lift. Now upper back is engaged, the pedal is dead still. Now think of rolling the spine away from you towards the chair, and keep lengthening, lengthening the spine and roll down. Let's do that one more time and lift and up. Hold, hold, hold. Now stay there. Can you curl and bring the pedal down to the floor? Can you curl it down? May not touch, who cares? It's okay. And pull it again, and pull it again. This time leave it up, and then roll down. So you're gonna work your hamstrings here. Now if you find that you've moved out a little bit, move in again. That's it. Now curl up again, and hold. Now think of pulling the chair pedal towards you with your hamstring. That's enough. Come back up, and then pull. And again, pull. Lift the pedal, and now roll down. Now, while you're down, can you pull the pedal to the floor now and put your feet down? There you go, just like that. Now, think about this. See if you can lift your bottom with the pedal down, and then roll down with your feet down. Then with control, lift the pedal back up off the floor. There you go. Pull the pedal all the way to the floor. That's it. Lift the hips up. Roll the hips down. Lift the pedal. One more time. Pull down. Lift the hips. Let's stay. Roll down for, that's it. Eat one segment of the spine. Now lift the pedal with control and stop. Bring the knees into the chest for a little stretch. That's good.